today's video, I'm going to teach you what is Salesforce Chatter. By the end, you'll understand what Chatter is, how it fits into modern Salesforce collaboration, and how to use the built-in record-level collaboration flow with Slack to keep your team in sync. First, log into your Salesforce account. In the latest starter experience, you'll notice Salesforce encourages two primary ways to collaborate: record-level collaboration directly on Salesforce records, and the Slack integration. In many orgs, you'll see Salesforce nudging you towards Slack for team conversations, rather than the traditional Chatter feed, because Slack offers real-time messaging while still keeping the work tied to your records. Next, head to Accounts. From there, open any account record you want to collaborate on. This is important because both Chatter and Slack work best when conversations are anchored to a specific record, so the discussion, files, and decisions live where the work happens. Before we continue, here's the quick primer on Chatter. Chatter is Salesforce's original built-in social collaboration tool. It lets you post updates, mention teammates, attach files, and follow people or records. Every record can have a feed, so you can share context like status updates or follow-up notes, and your team gets notified. Think of it as a structured feed inside Salesforce that keeps conversations searchable and tied to the data they're about. Now, let's see how Salesforce streamlines this with Slack. On your account record, open the Slack channel associated with this account. The Slack integration keeps your conversation real-time, while preserving the link back to the Salesforce record, so no one has to hunt for context later. Open Manage Members for that Slack channel. This is where you control who can see and participate in the conversation. Add colleagues who work this account, and remove anyone who no longer needs access. Keeping membership current ensures the right people get notified and your channel stays focused. Click into the message field to compose your update. This is the same collaboration moment you'd have used Chatter for, just now in Slack. Mention the teammate you want to notify with an @mention. This ensures they receive a direct alert and can jump in quickly. Type your notes. Be clear and actionable. Include what changed, why it matters, and what you need next. Keep it concise but complete so someone reading later can understand the context without digging. Finally, click Send. Your message posts to Slack and remains linked to the Salesforce record, giving you a single source of truth for decisions and next steps. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.